Good day everyone, my name is Hasan Kurtikado and this is my report. Liquid dancing is presented as a fluid and expressive style often incorporating elements of pantomime. This is the example of liquid dancing. Second is raga. Originating the late 1970s within Afro-Jamaican and Afro-Caribbean communities, blend hip-hop Afro-Latin dance influence. And this is the example of raga. Next is house dance. Wrote in the Chicago club scene of the late 1970s and early 1980s is characterized by fast complex footwork combined with the fluid torso movements. And this is the example. Yes.